In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tracking number on PayPal. This is really useful if you sell products online and want both you and your buyer to clearly see the shipment details inside the PayPal invoice. It can help reduce disputes, improve transparency, and give your customer peace of mind that their order is on the way. First, open your web browser and go to your PayPal account dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual details and you'll land on the main summary page. This is where you normally see your recent activity, your balance, and your tools as a seller. From this main dashboard, look for the option to create an invoice. Depending on your account layout, this might appear as Create Invoice, Invoicing, or something similar, usually under the Tools or Quick Links section. Click on Create an Invoice to open a new invoice form. Now you'll see the invoice screen where you can fill in all the standard details. Add your customer's email address, the item or service you're selling, the description, the quantity, the price, and any applicable taxes or shipping fees. Take a moment to make sure all of this information is accurate, because this is what your customer will receive. Once the main invoice details are in, scroll down the page to see more options. As you scroll, look for a section or link called More Options. This is where PayPal hides some of the extra advanced fields you might not use every day. Click on More Options to expand that section. Inside these additional settings, you'll see an option labeled Reference Number. This field is designed for your internal references, but it works perfectly as a place to store and display your tracking number for the shipment. Go ahead and click on Reference Number to activate that field if it's not already visible. Now click into the reference number field itself. Here is where you'll type or paste the tracking number you received from your shipping carrier. This might be from a postal service, a courier company, or an online shipping platform. Enter the tracking number carefully so there are no typos. This reference number will now act as your tracking number inside the PayPal invoice, making it easy for you and your buyer to match the payment to the shipment. Once you're done, review the invoice one more time and then send it